Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Absolutely. When the sentence came down, what was that like for you? That kind of almost feels like, to a certain extent, kind of the end of it. Obviously, appeals. It's not discounting that, but yeah. Well, the range of penalties was 45 to 65. We knew two of the counts would merge with two of the other counts. I mean, that's pretty straightforward law when you have four counts like that and those types of offenses. Two of them are going to merge. And so we knew we were dealing with two counts. The range is 45 to 65. The 45 is minimum non-suspendable. The judge could have run them concurrent or consecutive to one another, but didn't really expect her to run concurrent, meaning together with one another. So we really thought the minimum was 90 that we were looking at. And I was satisfied with 90 given the fact that he's 53 or age of 54. I think the sentence reflected the gravity of the crime, the nature and circumstances of the crime, and also took into consideration the mitigating and aggravating factors and all the statements from the family. So yeah, I suspect I know the answer. This is going to be probably a no comment, but after the hearing, there was an interesting exchange between you and one of the defense attorneys, Ms. O.J. What can you tell us about that?